How to remove express checkout on Shopify. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to remove the express checkout on Shopify, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the Shopify website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see right here, if I view my website, as you can see, if I buy something on my store, as you can see, there will be an express checkout rightly on below the checkout button. So for example, it's like PayPal or GPay or Stripe, etc., etc. And yeah, that's it. So this is how you're going to remove it. So you're gonna need to edit your website HTML code. So you're just gonna need to go to your online store themes, and under themes, just find your website template, and on the side of customize, just click the three dots, and after you click it, you will find edit code, and just click that, and you will be redirected right here on this page where you can edit your website code. So after you do that, just search for cart on the search bar, and you will find this one, main cart footer liquid. So you're going to need to click this one, and this page will appear right here, the main cart footer liquid. And after you're on this section, just scroll down until you find this code. So right here, if additional checkout buttons. So what you're going to do with this, you can delete this one from if additional checkout button to end if. So just delete that one, and after that, just click save, and yeah, that's it. So what you're going to do, just go back to your online store and just refresh it. And after you refresh it, go back to your store again. Then after that, just go to your cart page, and once you're there, as you can see, the express checkout is gone. So yeah, that's how you remove express checkout on Shopify. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.